Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add archive story to highlight on Instagram using the plus icon on your profile. So let's go step by step. At first, make sure that you have downloaded the Instagram app from the Google Play Store or App Store and open the Instagram app and log into your account. Then go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right, and right under your bio you will see a row called highlights. Tap the plus icon here and this will open all your archived stories. Now select the stories you want to keep as a highlight and you can choose one or multiple archive stories after selecting. Tap next. Give your highlight a name, for example travel, food or just emojis. And you can also edit the cover photo by choosing an image from your story or uploading one of your gallery. Once done, tap add. Now your highlight will show up as a circle on your profile right below your bio and anyone can view those stories anytime. And that's it. That's how you use the plus icon on your profile to create a highlight from archive stories quick and easy. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorial videos. Bye bye, take care.